When we talk of Sony Bluetooth headphones, we generally think of some pretty premium cans which will burn a big hole in your pocket. However, the CH510s are quite a bit different. These can be had for between Rs 3 to 4,000 online depending upon the kind of offer you are getting, and at that price, these are pretty affordable by Sony standards. So in this video, let's find out if these live up to the Sony brand name or not. In terms of design, these headphones mimic Sony's premium offerings, but a closer inspection will reveal that the overall finishing is quite plasticky, so the build quality here is a bit disappointing. The earpads though are reasonably cushiony as long as you keep the affordable price tag in mind. But like most on-ear type headphones, you cannot wear these cans for more than 1 to 1.5 hours because they exert a lot of pressure on your ears. That all aside, if you're looking for great sounding headphones on a budget, then the CH510s will definitely impress you. The overall audio output of these cans has a pretty high emphasis on the mids, which in turn ensures that the audio profile remains very balanced. You must remember that these headphones do not belong to Sony's XB Extra Bass series, so that thumping bass is missing here. But still, both the bass as well as high notes never sound suppressed, and the overall audio quality is very impressive indeed. Moving on, there are 3 buttons on the lower side of the right ear cup, using which you can control essentially everything, which includes playing and pausing tracks, skipping tracks, as well as the volume. The CH510s use Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity, and I did not have any connectivity issues whatsoever. But you must keep in mind that these cans are not made for gaming, so there is no dedicated gaming mode here. Also, Qualcomm aptX is not supported. Perhaps the biggest plus of these headphones is that claimed 35 hours of battery life. I charged them fully before my testing, and even after 1 week, I could not get the battery life fall below 70%. This indeed is brilliant. These headphones also recharge via USB-C. But there are 2 things that you must keep in mind. First is that these headphones take over 4.5 hours to fully recharge. And then there is no 3.5mm headphone jack here. So if you wish to use them wired, then you're out of luck. The call quality via the inbuilt microphone is also very impressive. In fact, the caller on the other side cannot quite make out that you're talking via headphones. But there is one annoying thing here. That is that you can actually hear your own voice while talking. So there you have it. If you're on a budget but still want some great sounding Bluetooth cans with excellent battery life and don't mind sacrificing on a few features like gaming mode, then the Sony WH-CH510s should definitely be on your priority list.